Should I work for a big firm or a startup company? So here are my takes that I have for you if you are in the beginning of your career as a software developer. I highly recommend people to work for medium-sized companies. And why is that? You tend to learn a lot more than working for a big firm. For a big firm, they're gonna put you in a role that you're supposed to fulfill. Okay, you work on this part of the system. You're not going to have that deep understanding of the system as a whole. But if you're working, for example, a medium-sized company, you're going to understand things from the infrastructure, from the servers, the networking, the front end, the back end, and what is actually involved in building a software system. So you have better hands-on experience, your creativity improves, and there's a lot of learning opportunities. Of course, big term companies have got their own benefits. One of them being the salaries are better, they have got nice offices. We consider them to be prestigious. But if you're beginning your career, I could highly advise you to work for a medium-sized company. Even though you're going to maybe this big tech company, you're going to be a better manager and leader because you understand what is actually going on in all the systems that your company is developing, from the infrastructure. So even if people are reporting to you, become a manager at a particular point in your career, maybe become a CEO, you're going to understand what is actually happening. You're able to give advice and maybe you're able to manage projects better because you have an overall understanding rather than just being put in a position where you only do one particular thing. For example, you're just doing front-end development, or you're just doing a particular part of that front-end development. You only create a search form or something like that. So those are the texts that I have for you as you're beginning your career. That is my advice I have for you.